everybody, welcome back for another science lab experiment. Today we are going to make a lemon volcano. So what do you think it is? It is actually pretty fun to do. So all you need is a lemon. So I grabbed 2 lemons like so, and then knife. Younger kids probably need a parent supervision because it's quite dangerous here. And then we have food coloring over here. Okay, I choose blue is my favorite color this time. And then we need a baking soda like so. So this is pretty easy to find on the baking aisle. Okay, so first you need to do is you grab a knife and then you cut one end of the lemon and the other end of the lemon. So you should have something like this. Okay, and then you want to take out some part on the top of the lemon, but you can use spoon too. I use knife in this case, but you can use spoon to just like cut it the inside so there's juicy inside like that, and then take it out like so. Okay, all right. And then the next thing you want to do is you're going to put food coloring in here. So notice the difference. I put probably like 2 drops. 2 drops is probably enough. Okay, remember, don't drink this lemon once you put food coloring because I don't think it's a really good taste anymore. And then what we're going to do is this lemon juice is citric acid. It's going to be acidic, and then the baking soda is going to be the base of it. So once you make the acid and the base, so there will be a volcano involved. Okay, so you put the baking soda, or you can take spoon too if you like. Just put it straight from the baking soda here. We'll see what happens. So you can see, boys and girls, it's like erupted like so. So this is what the food coloring is for. This is for it, so like that. Okay, if you can see it real quick, you can add more baking soda if you prefer. And then it will show the eruption because the lemon juice is citric acid. And then that's how it's always create a volcano like so. It is the same concept with the vinegar and baking soda because the vinegar is also acid, but then the citric acid in the lemon is considered acid as well. So it's the same concept. So there you have it. So there's our fun experiment. Until next time, I hope you guys have a good day at school, and then I will see you on the next science experiment. Have a good day.